Does 5x4.75 inches wheel spaces brand matter for Chevy Corvette? When it comes to 5x4.75 wheel spaces for Chevy Corvette, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. Higher quality brand spaces pay off big time in terms of reliability. High quality 5x4.75 wheel spaces bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real Chevy Corvette wheel spaces from a reputable company are always the safety option. Companies that provide quality, well-made Chevy Corvette wheel spaces invest a hefty sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their wheel spaces safer and more reliable. So, general brand Chevy Corvette wheel spaces are essentially safe. It is proving that as long as you use high-quality wheel spaces and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand Chevy Corvette wheel spaces strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promise an uncompromised fit, finish, and the level of quality. Apart from the basic function of spaces, BONOSS wheel spaces provide more particular features. For example, the FT cooling function, designed in petal shape. This heat dissipation gauge allows the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and ensuring road safety. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS wheel spacers and protect customer interests, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get BONOSS wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with BONOSS official stores database. If they don't match, they are not genuine BONOSS products. It is always good to use genuine brand 5x4.75 wheel spacers. Each BONOSS genuine wheel spacers is BONOSS engraved. These Chevy Corvette wheel spacers are made in a BONOSS-owned factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine BONOSS Chevy Corvette wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle. If you want to get the wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.